Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your date flight here on trip.com. So first is you just have to log into your trip.com account. So you can use the application or the web browser. Okay, and then after that, just go to my bookings option. So this one, that's right. And then on the home page, just have to select the my bookings. So we are here already. After that, you just have to select flights and then click on the flight booking. So look for an option like change or modify flight, and then just have to choose the new date. So select your new preferred flight date. Trip.com will show you available flights and any fare difference. So review change fees and fare differences. So airlines often charge a change fee and or fare difference. So trip.com will display the total cost before confirming. After that, you just have to confirm and pay. So you can also pay any extra charges if applicable. And trip.com will send a new e-ticket and confirmation email for your updated flight. So, important tip, some airlines don't allow date changes or have strict rules, so you have to check your airline's policy first. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helps you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.